Welcome to AI Alchemy. In today's video, I want to talk about the recent changes that happened with Twitter. Elon Musk has changed the Twitter brand to X, which caused a lot of problems with their head office neighbors. Anyway, so we no longer call a tweet but rather posts, which makes more sense. However, did you know that you can actually get paid just by engaging with others in X? But first, let me have Carly tell you a story about X.com.
Thanks AI Alchemy. Here's a brief overview of the history of X.com. X.com was an online financial services company founded in 1999 by Elon Musk. It focused on providing financial services via email such as electronic payments. In March 2000, X.com merged with its main competitor Confinity, which had developed a money transfer service called PayPal. Musk became the CEO of the combined company, which retained the name X.com initially. In 2001, the company changed its name from X.com to PayPal and focused on growing PayPal as its main service. PayPal went on to become a leading online payments system. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion. This acquisition allowed eBay to integrate PayPal's digital payments system into its auction platform. Today PayPal remains one of the largest digital payment processors and boasts over 300 million active user accounts worldwide. Now in 2023, X has been revived and come back as more than a social media platform. It seems that Elon Musk has a grand plan for this, which he said in a post. In the months to come, he will add comprehensive communication and ability to conduct your entire financial world. So that's the brief history of X. Over to you, AI.
Thanks, Carly. So now to how to make money using X. I will be explaining 4 ways to earn money through X. So watch the full video if you are interested to know how you can make money through X. First, I would like to explain on some of the money earning scheme that are already implemented in X ages ago. Number 1 is tip jar. Eligible creators can add a tip jar button to their profile and receive one-time tips from followers. Currently, a creator needs at least 10,000 followers to use tip jar. Number 2 super follows subscriptions. Similar to tip jar, super follows allows creators to offer paid monthly subscriptions to followers in exchange for subscriber-only perks and content. Creators need at least 10,000 followers and recently active posts to qualify. Number 3 video revenue share. Creators can earn a share of the advertising revenue generated from their long-form videos when shared through X's Amplify program. They must first be accepted into the Amplify program. Number 4 is the one I am excited about. It is the latest revenue share program that was introduced in late July 2023. X's Creator Ads revenue sharing program allows eligible creators to earn a share of the revenue from ads shown in replies to their posts. To qualify, you need to be a blue checkmark or verified org account with at least 15 million recent tweet impressions and 500 followers. Once eligible, you connect your Stripe account to receive the payments on a regular schedule as long as you've earned more than $50. The best part is you don't have to do anything differently to earn revenue. You just need to continue creating and engaging with your audience as usual. The money comes from the ads that X automatically shows in reply to your posts. Of course, you do need to follow X's terms and policies like the creator monetization standards and content policy to remain eligible. So if you think you meet the requirements and could benefit from this passive revenue stream, I recommend exploring X's Creator Ads revenue sharing program. It's a hassle-free way to monetize your large X following. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to AI Alchemy for more tips on using AI and automation to scale your business. Let me know what other topics related to AI and content creation you'd like me to cover in future videos. I'd love to create content that helps you achieve your goals. Until then, see you next time.